Hi buddy, this is George Middle, and today we're going to continue the tutorial series on making our top-down shooter. This is part 2. So we're going to get our health bar and food bar to work. Now, I've decided I'm not going to make it like how I explained because that would just be too complicated, and I kind of want to get this game done within the next week or so. So I'm not going to do that complicated. I'm just going to have bars at the top, and then when they hit 0, your character dies or starts losing health or whatever. So let's begin. The first thing I'm going to do is create a void that's on GUI, and then in here you need to type let's create a new GUI box, so GUI.box, and it's a new rect, and we'll make this 10 down from the top, 10 out from the left. Actually, let's put this more to the side. So 5 from the top, 5 pixels from the left, and then screen dot width divided by let's try 3, and then we'll take 100 because that's our player is going to have a maximum of 100 health, and then it goes all the way down to 0. So 100 divided by the player health. So every time he loses health, the health bar will get a bit smaller. Okay, and then put that. And then we need to put 20 there. And then this is the part where it's going to display the health on the health bar. I was thinking making it saying health colon then the health, but since our health bar will get so small we can't even read that, it's going to be kind of actually, yeah, we'll do that. The health, and then plus the player health. Okay, let's save this, and we'll reopen up Unity. Okay, there we go. We'll just wait for our script to compile. Come on. Okay. So we'll go ahead and play this. And there we go. It says health 100. We probably want to modify that by putting a colon and a space, but if we go down here and I adjust the health, let's say 10, that's what I meant by not being able to still see the health because it says Alt 1, which doesn't really make sense. So let's just go ahead and actually just remove that. I'm going to pause the video. Sorry about the clock in the background. I know it annoys the crap out of me, so I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. So we'll just erase where it says health, and it has the player health, and then also we'll have the food bar at the top. So I'm just going to copy this, and then let's actually change our food down to 10 because that seems like a lot, 100, and then we'll just move this down from the top, so 5, 25 should be good enough. And then instead of dividing by the player health, we'll have to divide by the player food. And then again, this is the player food. Okay. Now also what I want to do is set some variables up on our update function just for some error problems that I already see. Our players will be able to pick up health packs, so it'll be like health packs just letting me randomly laying on the ground. He'll just walk into one and he'll just get more health. But I see a problem where how we're doing the math here is how to calculate the size. Is it's not going to work if he gets higher health than 100. See, we have 100 divided. We have here. I'll just show you what I mean. So go back to Unity, and let's say we set the player health to 100, and wait for that to load. 110, and we'll also set the player food down to 10, and we play this. You don't even see it because we get a divide by 0 error. So we'll fix that right now. So if player health is greater than 100, then we just have to say player health equals 100, and then also if player health is less than 0, that's just in case, let's say, our monsters are up and they're hitting us with whatever, or shooting us or whatever. It's doing -10, -10, -10, we have one doing -5, -5, and we have one doing -20, -20. You see that it's probably going to go below 0, so we're just going to fix that. So then if it does, it's just going to go back to 0, and then we're going to say if equals 0, then player just dies. So we'll say player health equals 0. Okay, so we'll go ahead and test this out. Wait for it to compile our script, and we'll go ahead and play this. Okay, so let's say it goes below 0, so our player, okay, so we got an error for some reason. Okay, actually, I think it did go to 0. Yeah, I believe it did. It's just my computer was too slow to calculate it. Yeah, okay, let's say our player health goes above 100, so it goes 110. It just goes back to 100. Let's say -9. Sorry about that. See, it goes back to 0. Sorry, my computer is a bit too slow. It's actually kind of funny. It's a bit too slow to actually calculate. Oh, look, the number went below that and divide by 0. I really don't know why it's running well. It's because it has basically no RAM, which hopefully I can get more RAM. So yeah. Now, if you saw the little teeny food bar at the top, that's just kind of too small. So we'll just erase that part where it says wrong one. It's not going to work if we do it on the right one, on the wrong one. So let's write the part where it divides by 3, and then we'll go ahead and play this. Okay, that actually is a bit better. Actually, it is perfect. Now we're gonna go ahead and style this a bit because those GUIs kind of look ugly. So let's go and style them. So what we need to do is set up 2 new variables. So this is going to be a public GUI style, and we'll make this we'll call this health _bar _GUI. And we need to set up another one, public GUI style, and then we need food _bar _GUI, and then we'll go and apply those. So GUI styling, and this is the health one, and then this is the food 1. Okay, so we'll save this and go back to Unity. And if we play this, you'll notice that it's going to look a bit different because we haven't set anything up. See, there's no background, the text is black, and it's jammed in the corner. So we'll go and modify that. So let's go to the health bar, and first we'll change the text color to the white that we want, and then we'll change the text alignment to middle center, and then also we'll set the text to bold, and we'll see what that looks like. Okay, it looks a bit better. Now we also need images for the background, so I'm going to go ahead and make some very simple images quickly in GIMP. So I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. So I've just created the image in GIMP. I'm just going to close GIMP right there. And I just created a new folder called GUI_images, and then I created 2 images, which is the food bar color and the health bar, which I'll have link in the description for download of these if you want. They're pretty simple to make, but whatever. So we'll just click on the image and drag it up onto where it says background, and then we'll minimize this, and we'll go to the food bar _GUI, and we'll drag up the food bar image there, and then we'll also change the text color to white, and then the alignment to middle center, and then also we'll bold this too. So we'll go ahead and run this. And that's what our bars look like, which don't look the best, but I guess that's okay for what we need them for. So yeah, I'm just gonna check our time. Okay, so I've gone over a bit. We'll edit some parts out. So thanks for watching. Make sure to check out Lil.com. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, do whatever YouTube people do. So thanks for watching, and goodbye.